invited guests, and all the students. Students, as we all know, today, that is 15th August, marks the 78th Independence Day of India. Firstly, I want to ask, what freedom means to you? What freedom means to you? Does it simply entails doing what you want to do and having the utmost freedom to remain as a free creature? If this is what it entails you, then let me tell you, you all are living in the bubble of illusion. Because with independence comes a lot of responsibilities. Students, you all are the leaders of tomorrow. Some of you will become doctor, some engineer, and some teacher, and whatever. But always remember one thing: never compromise with your work and principle, and always govern your life as an honest and responsible citizen of our country. This will be the real dawn of your life. Students, even after 78 years, there are so many beautiful things in our country that we would still cherish as an Indian. We live with the concept of unity in diversity. We live on a land of diverse language, culture, and religion. We have approximately 325 spoken languages and 18 official languages. And we live with the people with harmony from different religious backgrounds. And you all know, we celebrate all the festivals with great zeal and show. As we all know, regarding the positive changes that we have achieved in 78 years, that we have emerged as one of the world's largest democracy and economy. Pollution, telecom industry, and space technology. And nowadays, we are working towards one of the strong IT hub. But there is a very shameful condition. We are also suffering from so many serious setbacks, such as poverty, corruption, and discrimination on the ground of caste, color, and gender, which created many fissures to preventing our country to be counted in the list of developed nations. However, we are trying to get the root cause and eradicate all these social evils from our society. So try to root out these evils and help the underprivileged section of our society. But most importantly, don't fret about the things that we don't have. Let us make to strive our country safe and better place by following the principles taught by our great leaders. Let us spread awareness, values, knowledge, and gain wisdom. And let us make this our Independence Day resolution also. Each individual of our country follow the principles, he would grow. So would his family, his surroundings also, and eventually it would lead to our country a great nation. So let us make India, our motherland, shine ever brighter into our future. Jai Hind, thank you.